In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make emails mobile friendly in Mailchimp. So the first thing you may want to consider is by starting with single column layouts in the email builder. They automatically adjust better on smaller screens, and to get them, you can head over in the left panel, then scroll through blank columns, and here you can grab this single column layout onto your layout. Another thing you may want to consider is by using short paragraphs, larger fonts, and clear headings so that readers can easily scan your email on mobile devices. Also, make sure that the buttons are large enough for users to tap on a phone. And lastly, in working with your email design, make sure that you use the mobile mode as this will give you a better and more accurate preview on how your layout is going to look like on mobile. It is important that you always check how your email looks on mobile view. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!